Kelly Shaffner here with my February Bolzano handbag. I am so glad that you showed up to see what I got inside this dust bag here. Yes, this is Bolzano Handbags. This is a luxury handbag subscription. The owner of Bolzano Handbags, Leilani, does send me this handbag in exchange for my honest review, so that's what we are going to do today. Hey, if you're new to my channel, I would like to welcome you. Please consider subscribing and joining me for another video. To my returning subscribers, hi everyone, how are you? I have been enjoying my Bolzano handbag. The black one that I got, I love, but you know what? It is warming up here in New Mexico, and I am looking for a new handbag because black is not my favorite color. I mean, it's a great color, but it's not a color that I love to carry or love to wear, so I'm hoping this looks dark, doesn't it? We'll see what's inside here, but I'm hoping it's something other than black. With Bolzano handbags, you do take a short style quiz to let your stylist know what kind of bags you prefer. And let me tell you something else. If you receive a bag with your subscription that you do not like, you can exchange it. So you're not stuck with a bag that you don't care for. And I think Bolzano does a very good job. My stylist does a great job of selecting bags that I truly enjoy. Now, I will leave all the information that you need about getting a Bolzano subscription of your own in the description box below. So just check it out. You can go to the website. You can purchase a 3-month subscription. You can get a 6-month subscription. They even have a 1-year, 12 handbags. Yes, can you imagine? So they have a subscription to fit any lifestyle, any budget, but you can also go directly to the website and just purchase any bag that you like. You don't have to buy a subscription. Bolzano does offer a couple types of subscriptions. You can get a subscription that is luxe with beauty products and accessories, and you can also get subscriptions that are just a purse. Leilani does send me a surprise bag every month. I really never know if I'm getting the luxe edition or if I'm just getting the handbag. So let's open it up and see what we got. Every bag that I've ever got does come in a dust bag. Usually they look like this. I have received black dust bags. Okay, so I like this right off the top. This one's kind of tight in the bag. Let me pull it out. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this one is brown. This is chocolate brown, and then the contrasting stitching there. Ooh, this is pretty. This one feels like a vegan leather, and this looks like a tote. Let's see. This is what it looks like. And this is the bottom. Oh, we have feet on the bottom. Is that silver hardware? Yeah, this is all silver hardware. This is a really sleek looking bag, and the top of the bag does have a zip closure on it. So that's what the top looks like. Let's check out the inside. I love the red on this bag. Perfect for Valentine's Day. Okay, so here's some paperwork. This says, congratulations on signing up to receive surprise and styling each month. So maybe that's what I've got. This month we've chosen our Loretta, especially for you. So this bag is called the Loretta. It is constructed from PETA certified vegan leather and has a retail value of $205. Loretta is part of our latest collection. It comes in coffee and scarlet. I have a feeling that's what this is, coffee and scarlet. And it also comes in cream and tan. And what we love about this bag, it's versatile. It's accenting color trims, it's convenient crossbody strap, it's inside multi-purpose compartments, it's clean finished, and it's structured shape. I love a structured bag. So this one is perfect for me. Let's look at this. Okay, we do have goodies here. As always, there's a crossbody bag if that's the way you want to carry this. Oh, and here's the straps here. Now, I mean, this is where you would attach it. I would attach a pom-pom or maybe even a scarf right there. But yeah, you do get the crossbody. So this is what the inside of the bag looks like. Can you see that? On one side, we do have the zip pocket. Right here is a zip pocket. On the other side, we do have 2 card pockets or slip pockets over here. And other than that, this is just a big open compartment. I think I could fit my iPad inside of this. Not my laptop, but my iPad would definitely fit. Okay, next up we have some goodies. And I'm not sure if we have beauty and accessories. This looks like a scarf. This is a scarf of some sort. Almost looks like a necktie. It might be a thin scarf. Oh, okay. This is perfect. Very Versace-esque. This is like a satin or silk navy blue with the chain detail there. Okay, this is perfect to tie on a bag. Next we have, ooh, something's in my eye. Next we have, oh my, this looks so interesting. What do we have? Look at these sunglasses. Ah, my rose-colored glasses. And yes, I do see the world through rose-colored glasses. Ah, I love it. What do you think? These are so cool. And I'm looking for a Bolzano brand on them, but they are not branded. But aren't these cute? I love them. So this is an example of an accessory that you might receive from Bolzano Handbags. And of course, there is the little carrying case. I'm putting that in my bag right now. Okay, and the next thing we have is a black case. Let's see what's inside our case. And, okay, the first thing is a little small box. This is Vervain. I don't even know if I'm saying that correct. I'm not even going to attempt to say the brand name. Let's see, can you see it there? I'm trying to get it in the light. This is gel cream. This is a cooling hand gel cream. You guys, I have to try this. You know what? I do have some hand cream that Bolzano sent me, and it is right by my desk. And before every single video I make, I put a little on. The last one she sent was rose scented. Oh, this one smells pretty too. Because I have very dry hands, and before every video that I film, I want my hands to look moist. So yeah, that's nice. I like the hand cream that she sent last time. I'm excited to get into this one too. We also, okay, you can see there's some tools, and this looks like manicure tools. Yeah. Okay, so there's a file there. And do you know I do not own a nail file? And I do have some of these snippers, but yeah, I'm happy to have more. And you know why? Because this looks like a manicure kit. And, oh, okay, so some manicure tools. So, which I don't have these either. And let me tell you why. Because I keep saying that I'm going to learn how to do my own nails and my own pedicures. It would save me so much time and money. I do not find manicures or pedicures to be relaxing and fun at all. In fact, they are just a chore on my list of things to do. I like the end result, but I don't like having to do it. So I keep telling myself that I'm going to learn how to do a manicure and a pedicure on myself, and now I have the tools to do it, so that's really cool. Is there anybody else out there that's like me, that you've been going to a shop for your manicures and pedicures for so long? I mean, if I was to look back at all the money that I've spent on manicures and pedicures, maybe I could buy a small car at this point in my life. So I know I could save a lot of money, and I could also do this on my own time. Yeah, I could do it in the evening when the shops are closed. So I'm kind of excited to have these new tools. I always look forward to my Bolzano handbag arriving at my doorstep. You always get an email with shipping information when your bag has shipped, and I'm always anxiously awaiting, and I can't wait to see what surprise my stylist selected for me. I've not been disappointed either. I think there's been a really nice variety of bags, but all of them are suited to my tastes. So with that, I want to say it again. I think I've said it in every single Bolzano handbag subscription. I think This particular subscription makes an awesome gift. Whether it's for your sister, your friend, your mother, your wife, your partner, I just think gifting someone with a high quality, personalized gift like a handbag, you just can't go wrong with that. So with Valentine's coming up, if you have one of those hard to buy for people in your life, let me recommend Bolzano handbags, because I haven't been disappointed. This has been a home run for me. Did I talk about this? The charm, the Bolzano logo charm there. This is really substantial. And they put these on a lot of bags. So yeah, it looks so designer, doesn't it? I am really, really pleased with this bag. I'm going to change my black bag out. It's not going to be retired, because I will carry a black bag, probably not till winter next year. But yeah, this one is more suited for me. I'm going over to my mom's right now, and I'm going to look like a movie star on my way there. Guys, thank you so very much for showing up once again to check out my latest unboxing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I have a Valentine's video coming out next, so please make sure you're subscribed. I don't want you to miss that one. I can't wait to see you in the next one, guys. Blessings to all of you.